In this essential video editing tutorial, we are going to learn how to download DaVinci Resolve for free. If you want to use the same professional video editing software used by Hollywood for your own projects without spending a dime, this is the guide you need to get the DaVinci Resolve free version installed correctly. You are probably ready to take your video editing to the next level, but you aren't ready to pay a monthly subscription for Adobe Premiere Pro. You've heard about this incredible professional software called DaVinci Resolve that combines editing, color correction, visual effects, and audio post-production all in one tool. The best part is that the free version is incredibly powerful and not just a limited trial. I'm your host, and in this guide, we are going to navigate the official Blackmagic Design website to ensure you download the correct version. It is easy to get confused between the free version and the paid studio version, so we will make sure you grab the right one for your Windows PC or Mac. By the end of this video, you will have the software installed and ready to create. To get started, you need to be aware of a few hardware requirements because this is professional software. First, you need a relatively modern computer. While you can download it on anything, to actually run it smoothly, you should ideally have a computer with a dedicated graphics card, GPU, and at least 16 gigabytes of RAM. Second, you will need an internet connection to download the large installer file, which is usually around 2 to 3 gigabytes. Finally, you will need a valid email address and your basic contact details, as Blackmagic Design requires you to register before letting you download the file. All right, let's get this software onto your computer. You need to open your web browser and go to the official website, which is blackmagicdesign.com. You can also write in the search bar DaVinci Resolve and click on the site on the search result page. Once you are on the home page, look for the Products tab in the top menu and click on it. You will see squares for different categories. Look for the one labeled DaVinci Resolve and Fusion Software and click that. I'm already on that page. Now you are on the main product page. You want to scroll down until you see a button that says Free Download Now. Go ahead and click that button. This is the most critical step where people make mistakes. A window will pop up showing two options. On the left, it says DaVinci Resolve, and on the right, it says DaVinci Resolve Studio. The Studio version is the paid version that costs money. You want the free one, so you must choose the option on the left for just DaVinci Resolve and select your operating system like Windows or Mac OS. After you select your OS, a registration form will appear. You are required to fill in your name, email, phone number, and country. You do not need to enter a credit card. This is just for their registration records. Once you fill that out, click Register and Download. The download will start automatically, or you'll get a link to click. It will download a zip file. Once that finishes, unzip the file, run the installer, and follow the standard installation prompts to get the video editor running on your machine. Now that you have the installer, here is a massive security tip. You should never try to download DaVinci Resolve from third-party sites or torrents. Since the software is already free, There is no reason to risk getting a virus from an unofficial source. Always use the Blackmagic Design website. Also, before you launch the program for the first time, it is highly recommended that you update your graphics card drivers. DaVinci Resolve relies heavily on your GPU, and outdated drivers are the #1 cause of crashes for new users. What if you run into problems? If the download doesn't start after you click register, look for a small link that appears in the pop-up window that says click here to retry the download manually. If you successfully install it, but the program won't open or crashes immediately, it is almost certainly because your computer's hardware doesn't meet the minimum requirements, specifically the graphics card. In that case, you might need to try an older version of the software like DaVinci Resolve 16 or 17, which you can find by scrolling down the Support Center on their website. So, we have reached the end of our guide. We have successfully navigated the website, avoided the paid studio version, and learned how to download DaVinci Resolve completely for free. You now have access to the same color grading tools and editing timeline used on blockbuster movies, right on your own laptop or desktop. I truly hope this guide helped you get set up with your new creative tool. If it did, please give this video a like. It really helps the channel grow. And if you want to learn how to actually use this complex software, be sure to subscribe because I have more tutorials coming soon. Finally, I have a question for you. Are you switching to DaVinci Resolve from another program like Premiere or Final Cut? Or is this your very first video editor? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.